Good morning, Jim Barrett from RJO Futures, Monday morning, February 11th. Slightly lower notes and bonds this morning after a slightly higher finish Friday. We've been locked pretty tightly against this 2% range, and the 10-year notes actually closed the last 10, 11 days within 5 basis points. Probably hanging out here, waiting for the stock indexes to basically stop going up. Bullish consensus in the stock index is up over 70 finally. The bullish consensus in the bonds is underneath 30, so that may set the stage for a little bit of a reversal in that kind of action. There was an interesting article in the Wall Street Journal about how the Treasury and the yen have parted ways these days. They used to run together. Obviously, the yen, a big downward move began at the end of last year, has continued right up to now. Interesting. I don't know if I'm going to make any conclusions about it. There was a report that the Japanese economic minister in a speech said he wants the Nikkei to hit 13,000 by March. That's 17% higher. That's kind of a crazy thing for a financial minister to predict stock levels, but apparently they're serious about attempting to help their economy, and obviously it's going to cause problems with Europeans as far as you read more and more about this currency war thing. But again, notes and bonds don't really know what to make of it and are hanging out at this 2% level. It is a week where there'll be a little less volatility at night. Also, the Chinese are off. However, we'll see what happens. There are some reports coming up. There could be market movers. Nothing on the calendar, however, today. Resistance in the notes remains 131.25.5. Support closer to 131, and I believe the low for the move is 130.23. I just don't see that threatened this week. In the bonds, real resistance 144.27. Support again down at 143. I think we're more likely to move higher, this week, but obviously it'll depend on the stock indexes either slowing down or finally correcting a little bit. We'll see what happens. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Please give me a ring, and remember there is a risk of loss in futures trading. Thank you.